Hi there, it's Meir Brock from TradeNet. Thank you very much for tuning in to watch this video, which is the live recording of my trading session today, unedited in a way that you will be able to see all my screens, all my trades, track my P&L as if you were sitting right here beside me and me being your personal mentor. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to watch this video until the end where I will analyze and summarize today's session. Now let's join my trading room members and start the trading session today. Welcome here in our live trading room and all of you guys in YouTube. Welcome. Please give us a like if you like this live session, live trading session. Thank you for joining.
Mayor, here come the charts for you.
Thank you.
The charts are yours.
The market is open, traders. We're starting with the gap down today, traders. S&P is down 0.45. Nasdaq is down just over 0.5. Normally, with such a gap, we should see a gap and go, meaning it's not supposed to be a green day. We have been moving up recently, but possibly a pullback day.
1250 will be my stop loss.
About to go long. It's getting there. Just touch the 312. Market still moving up a little bit, but already a small pullback from the highs in the S&P.
Okay, so I'm going to add to full share size on Lowe's LOW if we get under 206.
I'm long Nvidia, just triggered. About to short JD.
Mayor may be right.
I'm actually going to short it under the lows, which is 35.02. Now, regardless of market direction, which is up right now, both the Nasdaq and the S&P are moving up. About to short JD under 35.02, expecting it to break down under 35, the whole number.
I'm about to add to my short in Tesla for the full share size because I really think today is the red day after we had 6 green days in Tesla daily chart.
JD did not trigger. I was watching Google pre-market time, thought it was too extended to the upside. This could be a pullback day in Google.
208 Tesla or 208 Lowe's will be my stop loss.
123.90.
313 stop loss NVDA.
Reposting Google under 123.90. Nvidia just moved over the highs, but the S&P is pulling back down, not far from the lows. JD did not trigger. Still interested in Google short under 123.90. Google just triggered, I'm short. I'm kind of protected now. If the market's going to move down and Nvidia fails, I've got Google. It's a joke, of course.
Guys, I will add to Tesla under 187.50 for the full share size. Beautiful chart in Tesla, beautiful daily chart. Getting close, I'm about to add 4 cents away.
There's
Added for Tesla.
out of the Lowe's trade, LOW with a loss. Losing trade, first trade of the day. Trying to fight the trend, counter trend the stock. And I got burned this morning.
I don't really like the fact that Google did not continue. It was supposed to. It was a nice technical formation, and I was expecting it to come down rather quickly under 123.80. I don't like the way it just behaved, but who knows? It's getting there right now. There we go. Just touching under, good. We definitely have
Tesla,
a pullback.
I'll wait for 186. Took full share size and added. So I really need to see it drop in. And Mayor and Scott, I'll be right back. 2 minutes, sorry.
still like lows. I mean, 206, I'll come back into this trade. I think it's going to roll over. NVDA is helping us out right now. Almost getting stopped out at the top.
S&P is getting close to the lows. Market direction is not yet established. Market direction is going to be much more interesting once we move under the lows or move over the highs. So keep an eye on the S&P 500.
UPST, nice move up. Okay, I'm going to short lows here to break a 206, LOW. First trade, a losing trade. Hopefully we don't get two in a row here.
It's
Yeah,
quite interesting to see how JD moved up over the highs. And again, if the market will fail, JD and BABA, which are relatively weak, are very, very likely to come down. So I'll keep an eye on them. It's right over here on several charts that I'm watching. Nvidia is holding its uptrend, but again, market direction is not clear. We came back to the middle of the range. Google stop is going to be over 124.45. I think the market is trying to choose to move higher. We've got a small green candle. It's too early to say, of course. But the Nasdaq is closer to the highs. Therefore, sometimes we get a pre-warning by watching the Nasdaq as to the direction of the S&P. What counts, of course, is the direction of the S&P, because the direction of the S&P dictates where the institutional traders are moving themselves. Either they're buying or they're selling. It has to do with the S&P and not the Nasdaq. So kind of a small indication by the
We've got a
Nasdaq,
full point now.
but hard to say.
Full point on lows. Target's going to be 204.60 on LOW. Second trade has worked out beautifully now for us. After losing trade here, I'm still short NVDA. Mayor, are you still in the NVDA trade?
Yeah, I'm long.
Yep.
Google is about to
We
take
know
me
one of us
out
is going to be
soon.
right.
124.45. I'll be out. I think the market's choosing to move higher.
About 5 cents away now on lows to cover off here.
I'll add small size to Nvidia if it moves over 312.50. Also, I'm assuming that the market will choose to move higher. We do have a small green candle getting closer to the highs. Nasdaq just touched over the highs a bit. Again, some kind of an indication, but not clear. The S&P is slowly making its way to the highs. Nvidia is down, but I should trust it to get back to the highs. It should. Especially if the S&P will move over the highs. Let's just say that if the S&P would have moved down from here, this area here should have been my stop loss in Nvidia. But since the S&P looks like it's more likely to move higher, I should survive this pullback in Nvidia, which is more than I expected. Tesla is moving to a new high. I guess Yogi is having some trouble there.
Okay, traders, NVDA, I'm going to come out of here right here, and I'm going to give it all to Mayor so he can hopefully stick in here long. I'm out of the trade with a winning trade on NVDA.
Nice, Scott.
Yeah. Full point on the downside here on NVDA. I do like it, Mayor, to the upside as well.
You know that that's my money right now, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Well, it's not yet. If I'm gonna move out with a losing trade,
true.
then I guess it is.
Okay, traders, I'm back. Sooner than expected. I stopped out from Tesla with a big loss. More than 2 risk units, almost 3. Tesla did a huge bounce, and that was painful, but I'm out of it.
Scott, I'm going long
Look
low
for my
over
next
207. I'm going long if it moves over 207. It's a bit spready. I like the daily and I like the intraday. I want to add a little bit to low. I'm adding some shares to low here. Long. Not much.
Again,
Just looks to me as if it's going to make it.
Over that 312, come up. A little over 312.
Google annoying again.
There we go. NVDA. We got it, baby. We got it. Coming out right here, NVDA. I'm going to take the 312.14, and I'm out 3/4 of the trade NVDA. That'll get me back to green here now.
I just
One
decided
losing
to
trade, 2 winning trades.
try and test the uptrend.
And anything under the 311.76, I'll come out of the rest. Thank you, Chris.
I'm going to go long Amazon over 115.50. I'm long Amazon. Just triggered. And the S&P just returned to the highs. Guys, I'm moving out of Google. A very small losing trade in Google. I don't trust it anymore. And I just saw the S&P moving to a new high. This could end up on the green side, but I don't want it to end in red. So I'm out of Google. Sometimes you just need to admit that you got the wrong trade and not hang on to it just because I'm in a trade. You know, it's one of the hardest things in trading is to admit that you're wrong. It's extremely hard. I don't know how it is for you guys, but for me it is extremely hard. So when I'm in a trade, I'm just praying that it's going to go my way. And Google is definitely not going anywhere. It's just going sideways. So being in Google right now is betting, just like in the roulette, black or red, whether it's going to move up or going to come down. And that's not why we're here. We're not here to bet. We're here to follow a trend. We're here to use some kind of advantages like market direction and so on. So looking at the stock and just praying that it's going to come down because I'm short, while it is not responding to anything really, just going sideways, means that I'm betting. And for betting, there's several places in the world, definitely not here, not today. You can go to Las Vegas, you get free drinks. If you bet here, you get nothing. So no advantages here. And it is not Vegas. So if I'm wrong, I need to admit it. It's not hard. It's not easy. It's quite hard. And move out of the trade. I moved out of this trade in a very small loss, $134. Could have been worse. Could have been in green. I better not watch it anymore. I mean, if it's going to come down, again, that was the 50% that it may come down. If it's going to move up, then same idea. I just don't want to watch it anymore. And just admit, that's it, that I was wrong. Amazon is approaching the highs, just touch the highs, it's looking good. Another long opportunity.
Yes, a real nice pullback here.
Could be Tesla.
I'm out all shares NVDA. Out all shares NVDA.
We could go long Tesla over 191.
I'm going to post this now. UPST. Long.
I'm posting it.
50.
Watching the sellers, 71.
Roblox approaching the highs again.
Now, sellers just moved over. Moved over. 75 and I'm in. It's a nice technical reversal. Amazon just moved to a new high. Low, kind of recovered, hopefully going to continue. And now I've got another long in Tesla, so I really need the S&P to move higher. I'm moving to 5-minute candles.
There's 15 cents to go on UPST. This is going to be the entry 28.50 on UPST entry long, as posted.
Let's have it on the chart here. So look at Google. It started with a gap down. It's down 1.1% right now, and it is at the lows. So it looks like it's weak. It obviously has more sellers than buyers, but it also has to do with the S&P 500 direction. So as long as the S&P is moving up, I wouldn't touch it. Because already, if you look back at what happened today, whenever the S&P was moving up strong, like look, for example, the fourth candle of the S&P moved to a new high. Look what happened during the fourth candle to Google, it moved up. Third one also. So, you could go short because it looks like it's going to break down under the lows, but if the S&P is going to make another upside move, it can easily take you out. Again,
Roblox.
when we're uptrending, it's probably not a good idea to go short anything unless there's a stock that is coming down real strong. And I don't think 1% down is enough. Google is down 1%. I think stocks that are coming down more than 2%, 3% should be candidates for a possible short, even if the market's moving up. But when the market is moving up and you want to short a stock that is down just 1%, it's tricky. Could work, but very tricky. About to take a partial in Amazon, especially if it tries to move under 116. I don't want to see any pullback right now. Took cent under, I believe, 116. I've got my partial. Okay, we're close. Sellers at 55. And we're over. Now, sellers at 85. We're over the highs. Cool. I want to see the buyers moving over to 0880 for partial. Right now they are at 60, 61. $68. Hey, come on, don't pull back. As long as the market is holding, the S&P is holding, it should continue to move higher again because it's strong today. Nice volume, almost 1.8 million shares. Just moved over the highs. This should be a breakout, which means we should move closer to 209. And if I'm going to be lucky, with the S&P. I do see a small green candle right now. Then, okay, 209 and over. Oh, this is nice. I'm getting ready for a partial.
Oh, wow. Yep.
Oh, this is nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Over my target. That's the breakout I was looking for. That's the breakout I was looking for. Now took my partial. Beautiful. That's it. Oh, I'm not back to green. I'm still down $18.44.
One more trade.
No, I'm actually, if I would sell Amazon now and the rest of my low and Tesla, I will be in green. It's just not the right thing to do. So closed trades are in red, down $18, including my open trades, but you know, open trades, that's not to be trusted. Could finish in red, hard to say. But Tesla looks great right now. And we do have a green candle in the S&P. But now Tesla is trying to move higher. Again, it's close to the highs, 192. I am getting ready for a partial. There we go, 192, touching. Come on, Tesla, let's do it. Sellers over 192. I'm getting there. Getting ready for a partial. Let's use this spike up to take a partial somewhere. There we go. Dear Tesla, don't let it move under 192.10 without a partial. 10-cent pullback from here and I'll have my partial. I'm kind of trail stopping it right now. Got my partial in Tesla. And this officially moved me to green territory. Closed trades, green territory. Open trades, I still have some. Guys, I'm selling some more Tesla here at the highs. Traders, here's how my account looks right now. I've done trading, I'm done trading. I will put a stop loss in Amazon if it moves under 115 just to make sure it's way down there, so I don't think we're gonna get that. And I'll just wait for it to move higher. But I am done trading for today. As you can see, I've got a winner in Tesla, still riding. A winner in Amazon, a small loser in Google. Low is a beautiful winner as I have added to it as it moved higher. Nvidia is a big loser because I kind of gave it a little bit more than I was supposed to give it, but kind of trusted it and it did not do well. So I'm going to finish my day just over $3,000 right now with my open trades in Tesla and in low, but on the other hand, I'm down like $600 in Amazon right now. So this could end up just below $2,000 or maybe move up to $4,000, something like that. That's how I'm going to finish today. It's going to be a green day. I want to thank you very much for joining in today. Thank you whoever joined us today in our live trading room right over here. And if you are in YouTube, there's a link right below. And you can sign up for our live trading room where we will also answer your questions. And you could have a 14-day free trial right over there. So just click that link. And anyway, hit that like button for us. We will appreciate that. Subscribe to our channel. I want to thank you all for joining in today. I really enjoyed your company. Please remember that trading is extremely hard and most traders lose money. Our results here are very untypical. We are experienced traders. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. We do win more than we lose, but it is very hard. Start with a demo account and then possibly move to a live account. There's also a link right here below if you want to open a Colmex account, just as the one that I am trading right over here. Thank you guys for joining in. Loved your company, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, traders.